Hey, I'm back, kind of. No, really, I'm back with some great news, guys. I was away for 3 weeks to help moving and renovating, but that's over now, and now I have some great news for you guys. First, there's a festival coming up in Germany. It's called the Oscura Festival. It's about wet plate photography and all kind of handmade photographs. It's from the 2nd to 4th of July, so it's pretty soon, and I'll be there. And there will also be Dennis of Wet Plate Dreams. He will bring a lot of lenses, so you can try them and test them there. That's very unique. I don't think that's ever happened before, where a place where you can test antique lenses. Christian Klein will be there, and Stefan Schubert will be there, and a lot of other stuff will be happening there, so it's gonna be very cool. If you want to be there, you can register here. There's the address for a booth, or you just as a visitor, as you like. I would be very happy to see you guys there. I'm really looking forward to it after this long lockdown, to finally see real people in the real world with real cameras. This is pretty cool. I'm really looking forward to that. Just be quick with the registration. I'm late with a video. It ends soon to register for a booth. But maybe you're lucky and you can still get one. There are only 40 places available if you want to have your own booth there. So check out this link here. Second, my virus wet plate series is part of the 35 MMC pandemic book. So I'm really happy to be part of that. You find there also a lot of other wet plate collodion artists like Shane, Kerry, Farid, Eric, and many more. So have a look at this link here. Where you can register to get more information about the book, and I think it's a great idea to that this is happening, and thanks a lot for Holly to bring everything together, so I'm really looking forward to that too. Third, I'm doing more and more wet plate collodion online workshops if you're interested in something like that. So I'm really specialized right now also in this direction. If you don't want to visit, or if you can come to Austria, it's no problem. You just send me over an email. Here's a link to more description what I will cover in the online workshops, and if you're interested, just let me know. Fourth, and also last, I'm working now on a new video. It's about this kind of photography, so large format readyload photography. I think a lot of people of you guys haven't seen this kind of sheets for a long time, and I was shooting in nature with these sheets, and it's gonna be an interesting series. I'm looking forward to share it with you guys. I'm working on it. There's a lot of footage of many hours I have to look through and cut through, so it's really interesting. And it's a little hint, it's about sleeping creatures in the wild, and I think it's very unusual to capture them like that. But more information in my upcoming video, and as always, I'll be back, guys.